Hello, and welcome to this Expert Viewpoints video. Let's start by listening to expert opinions on how product owners should be involved in the firm's strategic planning.
A product owner needs to be deeply embedded in the strategic planning process, serving as the critical bridge between business strategy and execution. Through their daily work managing product development, they gain valuable insights about technical capabilities, customer needs, and market opportunities. By bringing this ground-level perspective to strategic discussions, they make sure the organization's vision remains both ambitious and achievable. This alignment between high-level strategy and practical implementation is essential for delivering products that meet both business objectives and customer needs.
A product owner should be involved in the firm's strategic planning to discuss and aggregate customer needs and market trends at the meeting. A product owner must understand the next steps for the company to prioritize the backlog accordingly. And the product owner can help with the planning because they know the speed at which the current team can deliver the demands, so they can predict what can be delivered in the short and the long term.
A product owner must understand the firm's vision and ensure all new products and services support it. As the voice of the customer, a product owner can provide inputs and guidance to customers to ensure that all user stories provide value in a way that will further the firm's vision and overall success.
Next, let's hear experts discuss the budgetary challenges product owners encounter and how they can overcome them.
When a product owner has a budget challenge, they must prioritize the backlog even more carefully to ensure that what is delivered first will give the company the greatest financial return in the shortest possible time. In addition, they should always analyze the available budget and make sure it doesn't exceed the stipulated amount and request the appropriate increase according to their needs.
First of all, the challenge. The allocated budget may not be sufficient to cover all desired features and improvements. So what is the solution? Prioritize the most critical features and functionalities that deliver the highest value. Use techniques like MOSCOW, M-O-S-C-O-W method, which stands for must have, should have, could have, and won't have, to make informed decisions on what to include in the product backlog. Secondly, the challenge. Unexpected expenses can arise during the development process, such as additional software licenses, third-party integrations, or even technical debt. What is the solution to this challenge? Maintain a contingency fund within the budget to account for unexpected costs. Regularly review and update budget estimates based on actual expenses, and adjust priorities as needed to stay within the budget.
Product owners frequently encounter budget challenges related to unexpected costs and resource constraints. A successful approach involves maintaining crystal clear priorities while thinking creatively about solutions. This might mean breaking features into smaller, more manageable components or identifying alternative approaches that deliver comparable value at reduced costs. By understanding both the technical implementation details and business priorities, they can help teams find practical ways to deliver value while staying within the budget constraints.
The continuous addition of new features and requirements can lead to budget overruns and delayed project timelines. Scope creep, unfortunately, happens. So what is our proposed solution? Implement strict change control processes to manage scope changes. Engage stakeholders in regular reviews and ensure any new requirements are thoroughly evaluated and their impact on the budget and timeline before being approved.